Hi, my name is Shahinur, and today I'd like to talk about Laravel tutorial and Laravel training tutorial. Today I talk about the Laravel tutorial part 5. Last video I was uh, show how to data insert in database and how to make a HTML file to local server and just insert a dummy text. And today I'll show how to data update. But by the way, I want to working on live server, so I just my whole file to a chip and transfer to live from local. How to do this, and just I show how to do the live server on my project. First of all, you have to need a cpanel. You just log in your cpanel, and you just need your file in a zip. I just combine my file as a zip, just look like this. Just I upload and delete the local. Just show. Just you can zip your file or whole folder and upload your directory. My directory is gift shop. I just upload my whole folder and export your database. I just show about the video how to export your database. Just run your local gem or local server and go to php myadmin localhost/php admin and just export tab. You can show export tab. Okay, you can show export tab, select your database, you can show export tab and just click go. You have successfully exported my SQL file, my database. And you can zip your final Laravel whole project. You can just zip the file and you can just upload this file to your server. And how to set up your database, just go to your cpanel home page and find a MySQL database wizard. You can go this and create a new database. You can choose anything. You can do your by your name. I just I just type gift shop. Already I am create a database, so I don't need the database. I just instruction how to set up, how to create a database, and how to set up a local file in the server. You just create a database, create a database, and you just create a user, MySQL user, your username, your password, and to add user to database, select your user and select your database and add this. And at this we can show the next step, all privileges. Select all privileges and make a change. Okay, finally you create a database, and next you have to need to import your SQL file in the server. Just go to your cPanel home page and go to find MySQL phpMyAdmin. Go to your phpMyAdmin and select your database and just import tab, and shows your file like your database name, and just open. It's a few seconds or minute to need for successfully upload the file. And when successfully upload your file, then you have to finish your the database upload in the server. Then next you unzip your folder, project folder, and go to project folder, and you can find a public folder. You have to need the public folder as a root folder. You have to need a public folder. Select and move button, and your whole public folder asset you can show in this. I have public folder and I have 4 file .htaccess, favicon, index, and root. And delete your public folder and just need for inside of public folder file, and you can move the public folder file to as a root, and you just need your public folder. And this is the old file. It's my old file. I just put my old file. You can it's my own file. It's do not my project file. Just take my file, and you can edit index.php. Just edit, and your folder name just copy, just copy and go to index.php and just paste this directory. It's my folder name, and save. That line number is 34 and line number is 47, and just save. And go to your project folder and find .env file, and just edit your env file, and put your database name in your server database name. It's my database name, it's database username, and database password. You have to need to put this, and just save and browse. Before browse, please go to my channel, and if you want more and suitable video, please subscribe this channel. I think you will get better tutorial for next. And just browse your directory. My folder name is gift shop. Okay, and you can see the your old project, and you just type your title, image name, and description, and save it. You can show your data. Just insert. On next video I will show how to update this data and delete this data. So I think this video is so long, so I don't show the next step. I will show the next step for next video. So thanks for watching my video.